Have you ever walked into a supermarket and felt a sense of calm? It is not an accident. Look around. The very first things you encounter are almost always the same. You see vibrant piles of fresh fruits, vegetables. You smell the warm, comforting scent of bread baking nearby. This is the store's calculated welcome. These items are placed here for a very specific psychological reason. They are designed to create a halo effect for the entire store. Your brain registers these fresh, natural products and concludes that the entire establishment is wholesome and high quality. This initial positive impression makes you relax and lowers your guard against future spending decisions. This carefully constructed entrance does more than just make you feel good. It primes you to spend more. The bright colors of the produce, the nostalgic smell of the bakery trigger positive emotions. These emotions can subtly encourage you to treat yourself. This initial staging area is known as the decompression zone. It forces you to slow down, shift from a goal to an exploratory mindset, and become more compliant. Now that you are relaxed, the store directs your path. Most large supermarkets use a layout often called the racetrack. Imagine an overhead map. The main path guides you along the perimeter in a large loop, past every major department. Milk, eggs, meat are almost always located at the very back. This is not for the store's convenience, it is for exposing you to the maximum number of products possible. To get that 1 gallon of milk, you must parade past thousands of tempting items. This forced journey maximizes your exposure to impulse buys. Along this path you will encounter anchoring. The store presents a price, and that price becomes the anchor. For example, was $30, now $15. Your brain latches onto the $30 anchor. 15 now feels like a 50% bargain. Very expensive coffee beside moderately priced coffee makes the moderate look reasonable by comparison. The store sells a comparison, not just a product. Anchoring appears everywhere once you look for it. Limit signs, was, now frames, creating a perception of value that may not be real. As you navigate the aisles, notice where your eyes naturally fall. You are likely looking at shelves between your chest and your eyes. Retailers know this. This prime real estate is known as the bullseye zone. It is the most valuable shelf space. Brands pay significant slotting fees to be here. Eye level is about profit, not merit. Cheaper alternatives, often store brands, sit high or low, requiring effort to reach, while the convenient pick sits right in front of you. Look at the end of the aisles. End caps are premium real estate and can sell up to 8 times faster. We perceive end cap items as on special, even when they are not. Finally, consider checkout. Candy, magazines, sodas, small gadgets, curated for decision fatigue. At your weakest moment, a low-cost treat feels harmless, but multiplied by thousands, it is millions for the store. Supermarkets are masters of illusion. One subtle trick is the decoy effect. A medium option exists to make the large appear like the smartest value. With a medium at $6.50, the $7 large feels like a steal. The medium is a decoy, meant to guide you upward. We excel at comparisons, not absolutes. We rarely compute unit price. We react to frame differences. Another illusion: bundle pricing. Round numbers feel special, but the fine print often reads the same price each. No quantity required. We load up because the sign suggests it, not because the unit price is better. A 10 for $10 yogurt may simply be $1 each, the normal price. The illusion of a bargain is often more powerful than the bargain itself. Decoys, frames, bundles, all crafted to steer choices while you feel savvy. Your shopping experience is a full-body sensory assault. Rotisserie chicken, fresh bread, aromas circulated intentionally. These aromas make you hungry. A hungry shopper is less disciplined. Slow-tempo music slows your pace. The longer you linger, the more you add. In wine, classical music can prime pricier choices. Lighting boosts perceived quality. Produce glows, meat looks redder. Center aisles stay neutral. Even temperature guides pace. Cool aisles keep you moving. Entrances feel warm and welcoming. Smell, sound, sight, touch. Together, they short-circuit rational thought. The supermarket is engineered to keep you comfortable and spending. Prices are part of the game. Charm pricing. So many tags end in 99 and 95. We read left to right and round down. $4.99 feels like 4 and change, not 5. The first digit anchors perception. Across hundreds of items, totals feel smaller, so we add one more. Package sizes quietly shrink while prices stay the same. Manufacturers bank on habits more than weight awareness. Bulk looks smarter, but not always. Sometimes the smaller sale pack is cheaper per ounce. Ignore the packaging. Check unit price. That is the truth that cuts through decoys and frames. Scarcity triggers FOMO and bypasses analysis, pushing immediate purchase, real or manufactured. We fear missing out, so we act fast, often without checking value. Being aware of these tricks is the first step toward defeating them. Make a shopping list and commit to it. A list turns you from a browser into a person on a mission. Outsmart the layout. Do not follow the racetrack. Head to the back first for essentials: milk, eggs, meat. Work only the aisles you need. Best values hide on top and bottom shelves, away from eye level. Be a pricing detective. Focus on unit price. Use your phone to verify 2 for $5 math. At checkout, look at your list or organize your cart. Do not engage the candy rack. Consider cash. Handing over money feels more real and curbs overspend. Adopt these habits and you change the game.